Slim Thugger, motherfucker. Now welcome to the city of game. Piece of chains and swings. Pop trunk and bang, yeah, I'm still here, man. Born and raised on the stead block. Braids, no dreadlocks. Married to the hood, me and Cynic Wood wedlock. Acres home, my home. I'm an outside veteran. Reppin' H-Time, smoking, sipping on some medicine. Ain't nobody better than the boss when I flow. Slim Thugger, motherfucker, still breaking boys out.
Got plenty cheese, plenty carrots, man, we looking like some caterers. And it's looking like you haters and you fakes is imitating us. Shaded up, braided up, and I bet that truck we played it up. And they still calling on phone, so they ain't fading us. In the hood, I'm a grinder, wood on the vinyl. TV VCR, I'm laid back with your mama. You ain't never seen a grinder, that grind the way I grind, huh? Top on my drop, body's missing as Osama. Candy painted with the gloss, you can leave, but that's the way I play them flows. Still breaking boys out. Getting money's what I'm about. I'ma get it while these haters just talk. Still breaking boys out. Gotta do it for the now. Gotta do it for my hustlers in the south. Still breaking boys out. Boys out. Still breaking boys out. When I do it, I'ma do it like a boss. Still breaking boys out.
Represent H-Town, the city of the candy. They see me with a lot of heart, but they don't understand it. They say they never seen you, boy. How you getting this grind up? Phantom Billy, take your pick, yeah, I'm getting my shine up. I sold 2 million records, now my paper on swole now. The mayor of the city, top down when I roll now. H-Town, home of the candy paint, home of the 80,000 balls in the purple
It's the city that's slow, the city that's stole, the city where the boys flip the candy painted low, the city where they go big killer and stay low. Hustling ass B-boys got the game sold, so they sip that paint, and drip that paint, and drop that top, and rip that grain. 610, I-10, 59, 45 in the bill. This clutch city, fool, we play what we dealt. Welcome to H-Town.
Candy painted with the gloss, you can leave, but that's the way I play them flows. Still breaking boys out. Getting money's what I'm about. I'ma get it while these haters just talk. Still breaking boys out. Gotta do it for the now. Gotta do it for my hustlers in the south. Still breaking boys out. Boys out. Still breaking boys out. When I do it, I'ma do it like a boss. Still breaking boys out.
Sometimes my home, that's where I do my dirt. Where the gangsters smoke water with drink stains on the shirt. We ride, swing, and chop blades just to break boys out. From South Park to the Southwest, all the way to that north. I'm talking Tidwell and Coverdale and Greenspoint too. From Denver Harbor to West Airport, all the way to Channelview. We steady banging on this screw, it's chopping like kung fu. Hit me on the 832, it's wild.
No tell my purpose so muddy I can barely even drive. I'm blowing down trees like a category 5. Southside of H-Town to all the side. I could walk these streets if I was blind. Tell mine, young red, take you up the future. Stars imitate, swear to God was a jeweler. Robert Davis, Fat Pat, this for you. To my homie Big Coke, I salute.
Still breaking boys out. Candy painted, you can leave, but that's the way I play them flows. Still breaking boys out. Money's what I'm about. I'ma get it while these haters just talk. Still breaking boys out. Gotta do it for the now. Gotta do it for my hustlers in the south. Still breaking boys out. Boys out. Still breaking boys out. When I do it, I'ma do it like a boss. Still breaking boys out.
H-O to the U-S, T-O to the N. God bless me with $1 million pen. See them grind money gangsters with their hand in the air. That Sunnyside in South Park, I was raised out there. This is